Super soft custard milk cake is a delightful dessert that is perfect for any occasion. Here is a recipe for making this cake. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup custard powder. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and line a 9-inch cake pan with parchment paper. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. 3. In a separate large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. 4. Add in the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. 5. Add the vanilla extract to the wet ingredients and mix until combined. 6. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the milk and heavy cream, and mix until fully incorporated. 7. In a small bowl, whisk together the custard powder and 1/4 cup of water until smooth. 8. Add the custard mixture to the cake batter and mix well. 9. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. 10. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before removing it from the pan and placing it on a wire rack to cool completely. 11. Serve and enjoy your super soft custard milk cake. This cake is best enjoyed within 2 to 3 days of baking. You can store it in an airtight container at room temperature or in the refrigerator.